got here first, okay? There's going to be a new dance move that sweeps the nation, and they say don't text and drive, so I make videos and drive. Really bad idea. Not a good role model, that's all I can say. But my baby's not in the car, so I'm not that bad. So here I am. I'm going to wait until I park, and then I'll show you the dance move of the century. And it's going to be how you can pick up chicks that you don't know at a club, and or guys. It's called going fishing. Plenty of fish. Whatever you want to call it. We don't have a name for it yet, but you saw it first here. And I want everybody to start using it. And what you're going to do, if you want to hook up with somebody, pun intended, you're going to reel them in at the club. So you're going to pretend that you're fishing. And what you do is you find somebody that looks like a good catch. You cast your pole, and then you reel them in. And I want you to do dance moves with this. Like, you got to move your hips a little bit. You got to live it up. You know what I mean? You can't just, you know, not be into it. So you're going to hold your left hand where it should be, which was right here. Your right hand, or if you're left-handed, you can switch them. And you're going to reel the person you want in. And either you can catch them, or they can get away. And this is the new way to pick up people at clubs. That way you don't have to terribly embarrass yourself if you walk up to a chick and you say, hey, girl, you want to go on a date or what? And she's like, nah, that's okay. You ain't cool enough for me. So you can totally avoid that entire situation by going fishing at the club. And if you catch her, you catch her. If you don't, you don't. And it's that easy. So I'm going to post it later with a video that's super, super cheesy of me and my friend showing you how to go fishing like Jagger. Thank you.